Welcome, in front of me I have Oukitel C15 Pro, and today I will show you how you can install iPhone keyboard. So we have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Green Apple Keyboard. We have to get that application from Arvin Apps. Let's install. Right now we can open. Click to enable in the settings, tap right here, click OK for the 2 times, and then go back and click to switch input methods and switch to English United States Green Apple Keyboard. Then tap finish, and as you can see, right now we can check how it works. There it is. As you can see, it looks almost identical like on the iOS device, and we can also find here emojis. So tell me in the comments what you think about that. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.